Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Roblox website instead of the app. You can easily access Roblox directly through your preferred web browser, eliminating the need for any application downloads or installations. This method allows you to enjoy the full Roblox experience, including playing games and interacting with friends, all without a dedicated app. It offers great flexibility and convenience for many users, making it a popular choice for quick access. To begin, simply open your favorite web browser, such as Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or Microsoft Edge. Next, type the official Roblox website address into the search bar and press Enter. Once on the home page, locate the Login section and enter your existing Roblox username and password. If you do not have an account, you can easily create one in just a few moments directly on the site. Once you are logged in, you can browse through thousands of exciting games available on the platform. Simply click on any game that catches your eye to view its details page. To start playing, just click the prominent Play button. The game will then launch directly within your browser window. You will find that most game features and social interactions are fully accessible this way. Using Roblox through your web browser offers significant flexibility, allowing you to play on many different devices without installing software. This method also saves valuable storage space on your computer or tablet, which is a big plus. While the experience is largely similar, you might notice slight performance differences compared to the dedicated application, especially with very graphics-intensive games. Overall, it is a fantastic alternative.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.